Hi, hello, my name is Hila and half Moroccan, half Tunisian Israeli. Today we will make fricasse, and it's a small pan, fried pan that's filled with, you can fill it with tomato, tuna, egg, and salad, and of course pickles. And it's good. We have here self-raising white flour, but you can use whatever you want, which flour you want, and just put inside the bowl like almost kilo and a half, let's say kilo 400 gram. It will be perfect. The next we will put the yeast. Okay, it's very important in the beginning. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of yeast because it's England, and a little bit more. But because it's self-raising, I will not put an extra tablespoon. Okay, so we will mix the dough, the flour with the yeast because it's not good, and the salt will meet the yeast. Let's say 1 tablespoon of salt. Yeah. I'm a Moroccan. So I never did have the good measure. And of course, sugar. Let's say 2 spoons is good. And mix, and we'll take the hot water. We added half a cup warm water, and I think it's enough because our dough we need an extra half cup. And I think we need no glass. So I put an extra water, but I think for 1.5 kilo, it will perfect 2.5 large of water. And the magic is, yes, something like half a cup. And the next. Why? It's good for the bread. It's made it more small, more tasty, and more economious. It's tasty. And the very important thing, and do not forget that, really important, you have to put air inside the dough. So mix it like that. And leave it. We will leave it in sun. Believe me, it's hard.
It's wild.
You have to mix it like for 20 minutes.
Really? I've never seen anyone knead dough like this.
Yeah. My grandma did it all the time, and she thought that I didn't saw it, but I always.
Always watching.
Yeah, taking the extra things.
It's phenomenal how quickly the gluten's come together.
Yeah, this is the magic. Have to be soft. Has to be a little bit oil. I'm not sure too. And that's it. We will rest for 1 hour. We'll give it a rest. But the important thing is to cover it with, just cover it with oil, and now I'm going to cover it with cling film. I know. We are doing the field. There is potato, some, 3 the eggs. The dough is still resting. The salad, the Kobe is opening the tuna, and yeah, and that's it. And then coming to the potato. After 1 hour, the dough is ready, and it looks like that. Perfect. So, if you want to know if your dough is really good, so it has to be like shaking, and there is a lot of bubbles and holes, and it's good. Then, like, wet. It's really good dough. Oh my god! I'm the best. Oh my god.
What?
One of the best dough that I haven't ever made. So try to divide it. The knife is not good. We try. One. Thank you. I divided try to divide it to 20, but because my grandma, this is how she did it. Ooh. Yeah. I wet my hand just to be able to take a little bit dough. That's it. Just leave it to rest. Of course, don't forget the dust there. Why? Because it will be stuck in the table or whatever. Let's see how many pieces from 1 kilo and 200 grams, something like that. Yeah, 400. Okay, sorry, 400. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it's going to be more than 20. Yay! Perfect. See, we made it. Now we're going to do the shape of the dough. So just work on the shape of the dough. It's like just roll, and that's it. It's perfect. So I'm taking like that and just put it in the oil. It will be perfect. For it's going to be crowded. You have to just twist them all the time because they have to be like, fried in each side very well. Don't forget that inside there is a dough and have to be more ready, yeah? Cook through. We don't fry it well, it will be dough, just dough and not like pan. You know what I mean?
That what you raw?
Yeah, raw, yeah, exactly. I forgot the word. Okay, this one is good. Maybe this is my fricasse.